Hi guys. Today we will covering like how we can practice the Golang more, right? So we will practice the Golang on this website called LeetCode. So it is really a very good website. So here we have the lots of problems, and also here the editor also support the all kind of languages, and luckily we also have the Golang also, so we can practice our concepts here. So we can just implement some of the problems, like we already covered the arrays, slices, and all the maps concepts. So we can use the this online tool, and it is really helpful. We will also get the complete idea, right, how we can write the nice code in Golang, and the clean code basically. And also we will get the idea about the problem solving by using this platform. So today I am starting with some of the problems, so that you can get idea like how we can use this platform. So today we will be solving this really easy problem, and it is also interesting problem. So don't check these tags like easy, medium, because we want to just learn the Golang in depth, right? So we can just utilize this platform, and how we can utilize this platform. Let's go through this problem, and then we try to submit this problem using Golang. So what is the problem? So contains duplicate, right? So given an integer array nums, and return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct. Okay, so that means if there is an duplicate, then we just need to return the true, and if there is no duplicate, then we need to return the false. Let's say for let me just open this terminal, and we can just understand the problem better. So we have this array, right? 1 2 3 1. So we know, right? Initially, one is there, two is there, three is there, but now one comes again. So it is duplicate element. So we will return true. So we will read right very carefully, like return true if value appears at least twice in the array, right? If there is some duplicate, then return the true. So here, what is our approach? So we can just use, right? We don't have the set in Golang, because we can easily use the map as a set in Golang. That's why we can use the map. So we will just to put these values in the map, and if any of the value is already there, then we can just return the true, else we can return the false. Now how we can implement this? So first you need to just choose your language as the Go, and then we need to start writing the code. So let me just start writing the code. So we are getting this nums array, and we need to use this array. So first of all, I need one map or set, right? So we can use the map, and how we can create, we already say, right? We need to use the function called make, and then we can use the keyword called map, and here we can create a map of integer and integer, because we are not going to use the count, right? Now we just need to traverse this array. For that we can use the for loop, and it we are going to use the range syntax. We already covered this. So it will return the index and the value, and then we need to use the keyword range and the nums, because we are not going to use this index, so we can just put the underscore here. And after that we can first take, right? So how we can take is, we just need to use the m of value. So it will return the again two values. One is the value, and another one is the is exist. We already covered, right, how this what values it will returning. So we don't want to use the value, so we can again put the underscore here. And also, like in Golang, we don't use any semicolon colon. That's why we have not put the semicolon in the end. Now we need to check, right, if is exist is true, right? Then we need to return the true. Else what we need to return after a loop, we can return the false. So it is very simple writing code in Golang, right? It is like a 4 5 line of code we need to write. And in this video also we get the idea like how we can use, right, map as a set. So this is our answer. Just let me just try to run this and we will see like if there is any compilation error or not. So just click on this run code and it will run this on the default test cases. Oh, so we are getting the expected output is true and we are getting false. So we need to check, right, if it is already there. If any value appears at least twice in the array, return false. Return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, right? So what we need to return is true if return if it is duplicate. So let's see like where we are wrong. So we have this input 1 2 3 1. So initially it will run on this nums array, right? And if it is not there, right, then we also need to put this value in this map. So m of value, and for count we can just put the 0 here, right? Because we also need to put this value in the map. For this example, initially 1 is not there, so we will put map 1 of equals to 0, then 2 is equals to 0, then it will return true for 1 and it will return true. So let me just run the code again, and this time, yeah, it is returning true. Let me just run on some different test case. Let me run on this test case as well. Yeah, so let me just run this. Yeah, we are getting the false, and let me also try for this input and run code. Yes, so we are getting true, right? So we already cover what is the logic. So we are just checking in the map if this value is already there or not, and now we can submit this. So we will see our result. Yeah, so we are getting the correct output and our code is already running on all the test cases. So you can also use this platform for Golang, and it is really helpful, right, to writing code in Golang, because it is only like 5 6 line of code and it is very easy to write. So if you are liking my content, then please subscribe to my channel, and till then, bye bye.